We did a pilot with ambient listening with Eleos for and the pilot was maybe 5 months, I think, and then last April, so 13 months ago, rolled out sort of a full-scale implementation. People had different ways of doing things, and we have some clinicians who didn't wanna use the ambient listening for whatever reason, right? And, they're using this sort of quick note functionality of leveraging the generative AI to help them more rapidly write the note. In general, I think clinicians took 10 minutes to write notes pre-Eleos, or non-Eleos users right now, right? But what we were seeing is the ambient listening folks were, cut it down to about 4.5 minutes. And, the shortcut users, the or QuickNote or whatever, the ones who are using the generative AI after the session, they were initially their note times were 6 minutes, still a savings, but not as much. But actually, after a year, they've passed them, and the QuickNote users are getting their notes done at a minute faster than the ambient listening ones, down to 3.5 minutes.